A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. I welcome you all to the new episode of Let's Learn Our Quran. This video is by far the hardest to make. Hardest in a sense that I was not hoping to make this video. The last videos that I have made they were very heavy on me. The impact was very huge, and I think I made a mistake in making those videos. I should not have made those videos uh, publicly accessible to everyone. So after this video that I am creating just now, I'm recording just now, I will delete, I will make those videos hidden for everybody else. Because the knowledge that I shared in those videos is privileged. It's not for everyone to see. And you might ask why I am saying these things is due to the following reason that I will explain in this video presentation that I have made. I hope that you stick around until the end and listen to what I have to say and then make your own decision that if this decision is right or not. Let's dive into the Quran. So what this video is about Surah Al-Araf. This is in number 17 and in the revelation order it's 39. And what it says is وَنَادَى أَصْحَابُ النَّارِ أَصْحَابَ الْجَنَّةِ أَنْ أَفِيزُوا عَلَيْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ أَوْ مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ قَالُوا إِنَّ اللَّهَ حَرَّمَهُمَا عَلَى الْكَافِرِينَ. So the traditional translation goes like the resident of the fire will then cry out to the residents of paradise, aid us with some water or any provision Allah has granted you. They will reply, Allah has forbidden both the disbelievers. And if we break it down into word by word, we can clearly see Wanada Ashabun Nar is a call for help from the people of fire. The people of fire not necessarily means that they are in the afterlife. It just means that these people are burning inside. They are not under a shaded path, a shaded place. A shaded place in Arabic language is called Jannah. It does not mean the heavens only. It just means that people are in a garden like state. They are protected somewhat. So they will say, an afizu alayna min al-ma. They will not say grant us or ata us or give us. They are saying afizu. Afizu is a different root from fayada and it means to overflow, something which overflows a flood. So it overflows and it reaches out from the main container. So it's not atana, atauna, and aw mimma razaqakumullah, or you can give us from what Allah has given you. So what is the reply? The reply is that they will say, it's not will say, qalu, they said. It's something that happened in this world. So they said, in Allah haramahuma, both of them. So either cannot give water, so it's both. We cannot give water, and also we cannot give you any sustenance, any provision from us. So both of them are forbidden to those who disbelieve. And as you can see, the qalu is exactly from the perfect verb. Is fil mad. Mad means to the past tense. So what is afizu? So here's the thing. The ma, the divine knowledge, the ma is given to us in the book. That is ma. And if I can show you that is actually a book, you can see in the next ayah 752 وَلَقَدْ جِئْنَاهُمْ بِكِتَابٍ. We have certainly brought them a book which we explained with knowledge, a guide and a mercy for those who believe. So it's a very clear indication that this Ma is given through the book, but then what they are asking is not the water. What they are asking is the faiz, afizu, means that you do the work, you do the labor, you come up with the, so you block the water, you build a dam, and from that dam, once you enrich the water from it, the soil, nutrients, everything included, then what overflows, you give us that water. So they are not willing to do the work. They are not willing to establish the deen. They are not willing to understand the terminology and the thinking behind the book. They are just here for uh, play, a playful mind. They think this world is the best world for them. They want to do things in this world for their own enrichment. And they have taken the religion as a playful thing, as a means that there will be no tomorrow. And you can see that in the very next ayah 51. الَّذِينَ اتَّخَذُوا دِينَهُمْ لَهْوًا وَلَعْبًا وَغَرَّتْهُمُ الْحَيَاةُ الدُّنْيَا. And they are deluded by this worldly life. So they have taken the deen as an amusement and play. They don't do any hard work in this deen. They don't want to spend any time in this deen. So if that happens, then it means they are ashabun nar, and they will be definitely a kafir. Even though they might say like, okay, we are Muslim, 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 but then in reality they are, according to Quran, kafir because they don't want to spend any time understanding or developing their own belief. They want others to do the hard work, and then they just want to get that benefit. They just want to have the, okay, what's the, like, the final, what do you think, what is the translation, what is the, so give us the translation of the Quran, give us the tafsir of the Quran. They don't want to do the tafsir themselves. They don't want to do the translation themselves. They don't want to learn Quran. They don't want to learn Arabic. So from those kind of people, I apologize in advance that I cannot share my knowledge to you guys. I am forbidden to share those knowledges, and the knowledge that I have shared earlier, I will keep them private. I will move them into my private videos, and then only the people who are Ashabul Jannah, meaning that you come to me, you reach out to me, and let me know that you understand, you are among the people of Jannah, that yes, we make understand, we want to implement this deen, we want to understand this deen, we are working towards it, we are learning Arabic, we want to learn Arabic. So Ashabul Jannah are welcome, but they need to get in contact with me so that I know that my hard work is not going to the waste. So I will make two kind of videos. One, public videos where I will talk about kitab, and the other kind is from Quran. The other kind of videos that I will make is from Quran. The implementation part, the part where we will have to learn our deen. So I hope that my message gets conveyed. Inshallah, um, I am very hopeful that this is the right thing to do moving forward, and I hope that I will gather Ashabun Jannah. I will gather Ashabus Salihin. I will get those people around me, and we build a community among ourselves. And the things that we want to see in this world changing according to Quran, according to Allah, what He wanted us. So, inshallah, we will try to do that, and we will not waste our times we will not waste our time into some stuff that does not bear any fruit, inshallah. I will give out my email address and then reach out to me. I will send you an email with the private video so that I know my videos are reaching the right people. My video is going to the right intended targeted audience, not everybody else. So if that happens, then only then I will share. If not, then I will share the only public videos. Okay, I think that's it. Thank you for listening, and I hope any feedback that you have, you might have, so bring it on. I will be happy to hear, and any kind of comments that you might have, so just let me know. I read all the comments under the videos, and hopefully this will be a move into a right direction. So see you soon. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.